this video I am going to show you one of the hidden feature of ADB in Android Studio. So for that you will have to install that ADB tool. So you go to tools, SDK manager, you go to plugins. So in plugins you search ADB. So you can see here ADB IDEA, ADB Idea. So this you will have to install it. So I will install and you will have to restart the IDE. I'll restart the IDE. So I have restarted the IDE. So I will show you. You can see here if you click on tools. So you can see here ADB Idea which we have installed. So I will show you what feature it has. So as you can see here, the like emulator has opened, so there is no app. So I want to open the app, so I will use ADB Idea only to launch it. So I will go and I will do ADB start app. So this will launch the app. You can see here the app got launched automatically. So it has many features, so I will show you one of the features. So in the app I will just minimize it. So as you can see here, this is the app information. So here there is no permission granted, so we will give permission through ADB Idea. So I will go to tools, I'll go to ADB Idea and I will do ADB grant permission. So ADB grant permission, so I will click here. So you can see here that camera permission is granted. So I will again restart the app. So you can see here it has multiple feature, like you can revoke permission and restart, grant permission, uninstall the app. This will uninstall the app itself. I will show you ADB kill also. So you go to here and ADB kill will close the app. So you don't have to close it manually. It will do, ADB will do for you. So it has multiple feature like clear app data and restart, start app with debugger mode. So I will show you how you can do clear app data. So now if I will do load data, so the name is already there, and if I will do ADB clear data, so this will clear the data. So you can do ADB clear data and start. So this has already cleared the data. So I will show you there is an option of uninstall the app also. So I will uninstall the app. So you can explore this. It has multiple options, like you can give permission, revoke permission, start app, kill app and uninstall the app. I will uninstall the app. So you can see here the app got uninstalled, and if I will try to launch the app, you won't find the app because there is no app. So here also there is no app. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching.